In this video I will show you how to download and install the HP LaserJet P3015 driver. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type HP LaserJet P3015 driver. From the search results, click on the official HP website for your printer. Scroll down to the driver section and look for the appropriate driver for your printer model. You may see multiple options, so make sure to select the latest version. Click on the download button next to the driver. The driver file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, right-click and extract the download file. Double-click on the install file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Connect your printer via USB HP LaserJet P3015 printer to your computer via USB cable. The installation through video will guide you the rest of the process. Restart your computer. Your computer should automatically detect the printer. Once your printer is successfully installed, you can start using it to print, scan, and copy documents.